Garage again. Got another little addition to the Shelby. Not much, just something little to add to it. Another thing that I've been wanting to get. Something that should have come with it. It didn't, and you got to put it on yourself. All right, so what I have here is the rock guards from ZL1 Addons. So we'll go ahead and get them out of the package, get them installed. Here we go. So I went with ZL1 Addons because I like the push pin design that they have using factory push pins. And they're not real big. Yeah, they're pretty flexible. They have a recessed indent where the push pins go. So I kind of like that. So we'll see how they work. All right, so in the packet you have your rock guard here. You got a smooth side that goes towards the tire with the flush indents. The back side, texture side with the 3M tape is going to go up against the fender. I fit it on here, just dry, and just looking at the arch of the wheel well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this section up with a heat gun just to give me a little bit of bend in it. It'll be a little easier with following that arch. Not much, just heat it up a little bit right in this area. That's looking good. Pull down there, that's all they are. The big ones are at the bottom, small ones at the top. And where the 3M tape goes, I'm just gonna wipe it down with some alcohol. Clean it up real good. Pull back a piece of this tape, stick it out to the side. Find holes. Yeah, that looks good. So I'll go ahead and push these pins in. There we go. Check the fitment where this is going to land. Just make sure that lines up with the top. We're going to start from the bottom here. Press it on there. That'd be it. Alright, that fits tight. Nice and tight down there. Not going anywhere. And that curve is perfect. So, just right. Get a close-up look of it here. At the top. Flush with the top there. Push pins all the way in. And that's tight. They ain't going anywhere. Side view. With the fender, sticks out just enough there. It comes down. It works. Happy with it. I'll do the same thing with the other side. I'll heat that little section up with the heat gun. Seems like it works pretty good. It gives it just enough curve to follow that contour of the wheel well. It doesn't give any stress or pulling away from the fender. Gives it a nice curve to the fender. Just heat it up. little bit with the heat gun. Let's move to the other side. Sure, get these. And it's just the 3 pins. So we'll just go ahead and heat this up a little bit. Let's try that. Perfect. That's looking good. So here again, we'll pull back a little bit of this tape and then attach the push pins, and that'll be it. So these big ones are on the bottom. Just make sure they seat in the hole behind. The small one goes at the top. Make sure it gets in there. Go ahead and pull the tape. You're gonna make sure this thing lines up. And that works. Give it a good press. And that should be it. Not much to them. Go on pretty easy. So, passenger side done. Passenger side rock guard. Everything's in. Fits pretty snug. Looks factory. Not too hard of a job. Just pulling in pins, lining it up, cleaning it off, and getting everything pushed right back in where it needs to be. Not a hard installation. Anybody can do it. So that's it. It's an easy addition. Putting some rock guards on to protect your paint. ZL1 Addons makes it's a nice fitment. Looks factory. I'm happy with them. Easy to throw on, so anybody can do it. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and until next time, take care.